Guys, this is the ice in the lake that is melting. My husband is smashing the ice in the lake. In the spring, when the average daily temperatures rise above the freezing point, ice starts to decay. There are two processes are active during this period: a dimensional thinning and deterioration of the ice crystal grains of their boundaries. Thinning of the ice layer is caused by heat transfer and by melting at the top or bottom surface, or both. Deterioration, sometimes called rotting or candling, because of the similarity of deteriorating ice crystals to an assembly of closely packed candles. It is because by the absorption of the solar radiation. When the energy from the sun warms the ice, melting begins at the green boundaries. Because the melting point, there is a difference in the presence of impurities that have been concentrated between crystal grains during the freezing process. Rotting may begin at the bottom or at the top, depending on how particular thermal conditions. But eventually the ice rots throughout its thickness. This greatly reduces the strength of the ice. The rotten ice will support only a fraction of the load that solid, unrotted ice will support. Thinning and deterioration may occur simultaneously or independently of each other. Sometimes, ice thins without eternal deterioration, and sometimes it deteriorates eternally with little or no overall thinning. However, both processes usually occur before the ice cover finally breaks up.
It's so beautiful, you and me.
Deteriorating ice has a gray appearance and looks rotten, because rotting takes place only by absorption of solar radiation. It progresses only during daylight hours. In addition to the presence of snow or snow ice, which either reflects most solar radiation or absorbs it rapidly in a thin layer to prevent rotting of the ice below until the snow has been completely melted.
To see the truth around you, from a distance you can tell. To be in the great outdoors, forever free. You and me, meant to be in the great outdoors.
Thank you for watching. See you again on my next video. Bye!